WPX Hosting Managed WordPress Hosting Review, Usage Experience. Links to WPX Hosting and its plans are in the description. Now let's dive straight into what WPX Hosting offers. WPX is a premium managed WordPress hosting provider known for its exceptional speed, high security, and top-tier customer support. It's built for serious website owners, bloggers, and businesses that prioritize performance and reliability. One of WPX's biggest strengths is speed. It uses high-performance SSD servers, a custom-built content delivery network, WPX Cloud, and built-in caching to ensure ultra-fast page loading. This makes it an excellent choice for SEO and user experience. Security is also a priority. WPX provides free malware removal, daily backups, DDoS protection, and free SSL certificates to keep your site safe. Unlike many hosts that charge for malware cleanup, WPX includes it at no extra cost. Another standout feature is WPX's simplicity. The dashboard is clean and user-friendly, making it easy to manage websites, domains, and backups. WPX also offers free site migrations, so moving an existing WordPress site is hassle-free. Additionally, it includes a staging area, allowing users to test changes before applying them to a live site. Support is where WPX truly excels. Their 24/7 live chat team responds in under 30 seconds, which is significantly faster than most competitors. The support staff is highly knowledgeable and can assist with both hosting and WordPress-specific issues. WPX isn't the cheapest option, with pricing starting higher than shared hosting providers, but it delivers premium performance, making it ideal for high-traffic sites, agencies, and business owners who need reliability. If performance, security, and excellent support are your priorities, WPX is worth considering. Check out the links in the description for more details.